Designing a brand logo doesn't have to be complicated anymore. AI can handle it in seconds with surprisingly professional results. Start by opening your browser and searching for Brand Crowd, then open the website and enter your business details, including your brand name and the type of logo you want to create. You can also add keywords related to your business to guide the style, or simply continue to explore the options directly. Within moments, the platform generates a wide range of logo designs automatically, giving you plenty of styles to choose from. You can refine the results by selecting different categories like abstract, mascot, or classic, and even adjust colors to match your brand identity. Once you find a logo you like, customize it further to fit your needs, and when everything looks perfect, simply download it in high quality and start using it for your brand, social media, or business. This AI workflow makes logo creation fast, simple, and accessible for everyone.